Hello, Greg from Defu here, and I can't believe we're already at day 12 of Cybersecurity Awareness Month. Today, we're going to discuss secure file sharing, a crucial aspect of business operations, especially with many of us working remotely. Sharing files might seem simple, but doing it securely requires careful consideration to protect sensitive business information. When sharing files, it's important to use encrypted file sharing services. Services like OneDrive, SharePoint, Google Drive, and Dropbox Business offer built-in encryption, ensuring that your data is protected both in transit and at rest. Avoid using free, unencrypted file sharing platforms or sending sensitive files as email attachments, which can be intercepted by hackers. Consider using password-protected links when sharing files. Most modern file sharing services allow you to create links that require a password to access the content. You can then share the password securely through a different channel, like a phone call or a text message, instead of including it in the same email with the link. It's also wise to set permissions on shared files. Not everyone in your organization needs access to every document, so take advantage of permission settings to limit access to those who truly need it. For example, you can set files to view only to prevent unauthorized changes or restrict file sharing to specific individuals. Additionally, consider using expiration dates on shared links, so access is automatically revoked after a certain period. If you need to share files outside of your organization, use secure file transfer services that offer end-to-end encryption. Services like Microsoft 365 often include features like password protection, link expiration, and detailed activity tracking. Lastly, remember to educate your team about secure file sharing practices. Even the most secure systems can be undermined by human error, like accidentally sending a file to the wrong recipient. Regularly remind your team to double-check recipient email addresses before sharing and to avoid sending sensitive information via unprotected methods like public email services. Secure file sharing is an essential part of modern business. By following these practices, you can help ensure that your company's sensitive information stays in the right hands. If you want to ensure you see these daily videos through the month of October, then head over to our LinkedIn page and give us a follow, and to our YouTube channel and give us a subscribe. Tomorrow, we'll dive into the role of encryption in protecting data. Stay secure.